Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here, and welcome back to Medvista. Today, we're diving into something really interesting. Clove water. You might know cloves from holiday baking, but did you know they've been used medicinally for centuries? We're talking about a spice with some seriously impressive health benefits. Let's talk about antioxidants. They're crucial for fighting off those pesky free radicals in our bodies that can cause damage to our cells. Clove water is like a superhero team of antioxidants, including eugenol, a powerful compound known for its ability to neutralize those troublemakers. By incorporating clove water into your routine, you're giving your body an extra layer of defense against free radicals. Inflammation is a natural process, but chronic inflammation is a different story. It's been linked to a whole host of health problems like heart disease and even certain cancers. The good news? Clove water has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to eugenol.
Studies have shown that eugenol can block specific pathways in the body that lead to inflammation.
We all know the feeling of an unhappy gut, right? Indigestion, bloating, it's the worst. Cloves have been used for centuries as a digestive aid, and for good reason. They contain compounds that can help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, crucial for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients.
Clove water can help reduce nausea and gas, providing relief from uncomfortable digestive issues.
Managing blood sugar levels is crucial, especially for people with diabetes. Studies have shown that cloves may help improve insulin sensitivity, which is key for regulating blood sugar. Insulin is like a key that unlocks our cells to let glucose in for energy. Clove water seems to help our bodies use insulin more effectively. We're all about boosting our immune systems, especially during cold and flu season.
Clove water might just be your new secret weapon. Cloves have antibacterial and antiviral properties, meaning they can help fight off those nasty bugs. Adding clove water to your routine is like giving your immune system an extra layer of armor.
Let's talk oral health. Clove water isn't just good for your overall health, it can benefit your oral hygiene too.
Cloves have natural antibacterial properties, targeting bacteria that can lead to bad breath and cavities. Think of clove water as a natural mouthwash, helping to keep your breath fresh and your teeth healthy. It's a great addition to your oral care routine.
Our liver is like a superhero, working tirelessly to detoxify our bodies.
Clove water might be just what the doctor ordered. Studies have shown that cloves contain compounds that can help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins.
Clove water can support healthy liver function, helping it to do its job more effectively.
For anyone who struggles with respiratory issues, finding relief is important. Cloves have been used traditionally to help ease respiratory discomfort, and modern research is starting to understand why. They contain compounds that can help open up the airways, making it easier to breathe. We all want healthy, glowing skin, right? Clove water can help enhance your skin health from the inside out. Those powerful antioxidants can protect our skin from damage caused by free radicals. And its antibacterial properties can combat acne-causing bacteria. In today's fast-paced world, finding ways to manage stress is more important than ever. Clove water might be a surprising ally. The aroma of cloves is often used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. So there you have it, the 10 surprising health benefits of clove water. Remember, I'm not suggesting you replace your medications. Always talk to your doctor before making any big changes to your health routine. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Medvista for more evidence-based health tips, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the power of natural remedies. Until next time, stay happy.